Hello guys, it's Billy here, and you might have guessed it's a Monday evening in McDonald's. McDonald's Monday. Ooh. We're celebrating Christmas, which is the reason why they're doing specials every day. And today's special is the double quarter pounder. Oh, not a double quarter pounder, the double cheeseburger. Double cheeseburger for $1.49. $1.49. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. Ooh. Lots of lovely tomato sauce in there for the lubrication of the cheese on the burger. $1.49 guys, so that's marvellously cheap this time of year and a great snack. So go suck in now and I'll see you later guys. Ta-ra.